Congratulations on completing the console version of Number Wizard. What did they learn, Brice?
Lots, actually. Lots and lots of stuff. So you wrote your first script in Unity. You started learning about variables, about if, so conditionals, how to make choices, creating functions to do things, and also keyboard input. You had a game, you can actually play it on the keyboard, and also really importantly, and you're going to use that all the time, it's learning about how to get information out of the console, to debug information out. Because you're going to be having much more complex game, and lots of things are going to be happening at the same time. So making sure the information is available to you in the console to see exactly what's going on, that's really important. So you've already done that, so well done.
Awesome, yeah, we've really given you a useful foundation here. Printing to the console is going to get you out of trouble so many times later on when you're not sure why something's not working. Mm-hmm. So it's fantastic that you've got this far, so well done, well done. Some ideas for challenging yourself if you want to just extend this game a little bit before you go on to the next section. You could try a different number range. You could change the game so it works with a number between, 1 and 10,000 or 1 and 1,000,000, whatever.
Or how about making the range choosable by the player at the beginning?
Yeah.
So you have a bunch of key inputs and you can choose which range you want.
Yeah. It could be a little quirky clunky if you do that, because you're going to have to. The console's not really going to give you key input in a particularly nice way, but you could, when they push a key, log that key to the keyboard. Try it. That'd be a really cool thing to try. Responding to those key presses and printing them out on the screen. So player selectable number range is what you're talking about. And the final thing you can try is actually, rather than guessing the number halfway in the current range, try just making a random guess in the current range. So if it's a 0 to 1,000, your first guess is completely random. You go, is it higher or lower than 15 or whatever? Just try it. You'll be surprised how well it works.
And it feels a lot more natural when you do that, actually. It feels like it's a real player, not just a computer who's randomly choosing. So that's a lot more fun when you do that.
Yeah, it kind of hides the obvious trick, and it makes it feel a bit more. It'll do more guesses. It'll take more effort to get to your answer, but it still works surprisingly well, and it feels, as you say, a bit more kind of alive. So well done. We're going to take this code. We're going to reuse it in the next section, where we're going to, for the first time, put a user interface on. So
good luck and see you then.
See ya.